Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Ranskill Level crossing. Alright, bear with me. Need to get me back. This will be for your 12:34 for the 12:35 LNER service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Quite late putting them down. Rossington were down 5 minutes ago. Yeah, put Botany. Yeah, oh yeah. We're just putting Botany Bay down now. Sutton Barber's down. Torworth's down, obviously, because it's just down track. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe. Ranskill Level crossing in Nottinghamshire on a Sunday. Here we are. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.